Good afternoon. Evaluation and negotiation of technology. My name is Julian Andres Castilla Sanchez. Synoptic table problem. Real auction method calculate by the Black-Scholes model. The 4D valuation of auction that emerged analytical models y are rising to continuous time and y are a certain of the model provided in Black-Scholes. Assumption. The Asian picture follows a long normal distribution, therefore that returns are normally distributed. There are not transaction costs, so rise fry, hiking come to stability, loften the ascent and the rotation of knockouts. Enters the role archiving a constant. The value of the running is count and directed professional to the patch of time. Recommendation. Every model is an interpretation of the real phenomenon, in particular mathematical model of a real situation is intended to facilitate its analysis and help support the earliest marketing rational decision are and situations. The Black-Scholes model assumes constant volatility for all options of the same underlying and then some expectation date, but different script principles having the same volatility.